Interim procedures. Encapsulation cleaning. Carpet brush method. Required supplies and equipment. High-efficiency vacuum cleaner. High-efficiency filter. High-efficiency vacuum cleaner bags. Carpet brush. Optional, air movers to accelerate drying time. Encapsulating carpet cleaning solution. Pump sprayer. Set of caution signs. Required personal protection equipment, safety glasses, gloves. Procedure. Place caution signs in prominent locations. Dilute encapsulating carpet cleaning solution product per label directions, or use a ready-to-use product. Use a pump sprayer or ready-to-use spray bottle. Spray encapsulating carpet cleaner on the carpet. If using a pump-up sprayer, spray the carpet surface using an even fan spray with 50% overlap. Keep sprayer approximately 3 feet above the carpet surface for even coverage. Strive for 12-inch wide strokes. If using ready-to-use product, spray evenly close to carpet over a 4-foot by 4-foot area. Allow 10 to 15 minutes of dwell time. Use a carpet brush to scrub in a horizontal direction over a 4-foot by 4-foot area. Then switch and scrub in a vertical direction. Let carpet dry. Optional, use air movers to speed drying time. After drying for at least 45 minutes, gently agitate the carpet again with the carpet brush. Vacuum the carpet using the upright vacuum procedures. This will pick up the encapsulated debris. Clean up. Remove caution signs. Rinse the carpet brush, clean the pump sprayer according to manufacturer's instructions. Wash hands when finished.